Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Ice Fishing. And if you enjoy this process, you do have the option of watching the full-length version of the video. You can find that on my YouTube channel, which is Michelle the Painter. I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a cute little nostalgic winter image, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.